it's hair breakage, and it's starting to travel somewhere over here. I got my clippers and shaved everything off, washed and deep conditioned my hair and styled. There we go. Yeah, girl, it's been a struggle. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome or welcome back to Tamika's Lovers Lounge. Okay, so today is like a very important video because your girl has been messing up. I don't know what happened, but my hair broke out in the back. I don't know where it came from. I'm starting to think maybe my hair broke out because I didn't do a protein treatment, which I thought I did, which actually it was like a keratin treatment. I thought I picked up the keratin treatment the first time when I got my hair relaxed. So I went to the beauty supply store and I picked up the apogee two-step process. So this is supposed to help stop hair breakage. It stops hair breakage, rebuilds hair structure for 6 weeks, and it's ideal for processed or natural hair. Now, I did this once before when I went from natural to relax. I did a protein treatment because my hair was just, as soon as I combed my hair, like hair strands was just falling out. So I was able to stop it like day one. But for whatever reason, your girl, I think I showed you guys, I probably didn't, but your girl hair started breaking out in the back. Right there. I broke out. And if you did not catch that video that I did before this one, which was my 4-month update of being relaxed, this is what happened. And before anyone says it, no, this has nothing to do with me being relaxed because I have had hair breakage when I was natural. My hair is the easiest section of my hair to break. It is the, what do you call it? It is the thinnest part of my hair. The top is the thickest, the back is the thinnest, and it's the longest. So I can easily get hair breakage in the back. So I'm going to go ahead with this two-step process with the Afro G. Then also while I was at the beauty supply store, I did pick up the Vantasia IC, which is the hair polisher carrot oil moisturizer. So this is triple strength. And this is what I picked up right here. I've never used this brand before. So I used this brand before. I think it was like a spritz, but I never used like the oil moisturizer. Now, I don't like the olive oil moisturizer on how it makes my hair feels once it's sat on my head. It just feels so greasy and it just feels icky. I don't like it. So I picked this up. Hopefully this does well. And then I picked up some hair oils. Maybe I wasn't greasing my hair very well and that's why. But my hair even broke out on the sides right here. So it's starting to travel around up in here. So I picked up some peppermint oil, which helps stimulate hair growth follicles. So this is good to put in the back. All right. And then I picked up some biotin oil, which is something that I've never used at all in my hair care journey, whether if I was relaxed or not. I never used it. So this promotes healthy hair and nails. Vitamin B7 helps reduce hair loss, promote hair and nail growth. I need to put these on my stubs and my toenails too. And also the peppermint oil, it helps soothe inflammation and improve skin and itchy scalp. And I was having somewhat of an itchy scalp and I was getting dandruff in the front, but yeah. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do this. So what you actually want to do is wash your hair. Balancing moisturizer. This balancing moisturizer is bomb. I have a bottle of this and this is more like a conditioner, I believe it is. Bomb. Your hair will be so freaking soft. But and I also pair it with my other conditioner, so it's a double combination, a duo. All right, so what you want to do is wet your hair and then put this on. And what will happen is, don't be alarmed if you never used it before, is that your hair will be hard like a brick. It's hard like a brick. You can't comb through it. And it's not suggested. And it's suggested that you do not comb your hair. All right, and we can let it dry and I can take a shower, do my skincare and all of that jazz. Okay. Oh, and then, oh, what else did I get? It's in my face somewhere, but I just can't see it. I bought a bottle, a new bottle to put all my oils in so I can mix it up and make my own little concoction. Okay, so now that my hair is freshly washed, let me move y'all in some. Okay, well, not washed, but rinsed. All right, so I got this open. This is pretty sticky, so you want to be careful. I probably should have poured this in a bottle, like a spray bottle, but I don't have an empty spray bottle, and I'm using this for my oils. So just word of caution, if you use this after you put a relaxer in, your scalp is gonna kind of like tingle and burn a little bit. Well, maybe I should start from the back. Like, it's extremely watery and you got to catch it. Like, it's starting to tingle in my head right now, and I don't even have a relaxer. I don't have a fresh relaxer in. Yeah. Ooh, it's starting to burn in the back. Like, it literally burns. All right. Maybe because I scratched my hair and it smells strong. It's almost like vinegar in a way. So get you a wide tooth comb and make sure you comb your hair so it can evenly distribute through your hair strands. Don't get it in your eyes. So while it's wet, go ahead and comb it through. And then that's it. See, look at the hair. And I get you're going to have like hair coming out from time to time, but not when I pull on it and I get hair on my hands. That shouldn't happen. So this is hair strands. This is not like shedding. This is actually hair coming out of my freaking scalp. Yeah, girl. It's been a struggle. Okay, so now we're going to get this here. So right now my hair is dry. Like, it should be crispy, like dry, dry, dry. Only part is just around here, it was like a little damp, so I just, put it right here. But my hair, it, like your hair, well, it's about maybe 5% a little damp, but some parts is really, really dry. But your hair should be like crispy, like dry, dry, dry. Like, you can tell it's dry because it's like all right up in here. Yeah, my hair Yeah, I didn't use the Afro G protein. I used keratin. My situation, I might need to do a protein treatment a little sooner than that. I would say around month 4 is when I might need to do it again. But just keep in mind that too much protein is not good, okay? But protein is good, but just too much of it is not good. But thank you for watching.